Hello everyone, welcome back. In last video I taught you about sources of water, forms of water, uses of water and many more, right? Now in this video we will do some activities related to this chapter. Let's see.
Now, see here, fill the color. Color the pictures of those containers which you use for storing water. Now see this picture. We need to color the containers which we use to storing water. A bucket we can use for storing water, so color the bucket. Pot is also used to storing water. We can color this. Can is also used storing water, but sometimes we can use. Sometimes metal pot is also used for storing water, right? Now you also try in your notebook, draw pictures of any other containers which are used for storing water in your house and write their names as well. So you need to draw the sum of the containers used to store water at your house. Okay. Now move ahead. Here some questions are given. Look at the pictures if we feel color them. First, which will contain the least water? Least means less. So in tumbler we can fill least water, right? So you write down in the box tumbler. Second is, which will contain the most water? In bucket will contain the most water, right? So you write down in the box bucket. Now third is, in which containers same amount of water can be filled? So basically in bucket and pot filled same amount of water, right? So you have to write down in the box bucket and pot. Now next activity. Here Chakku is confused, so we need to help her. Let's see why Chakku is confused. Here Ruchan and Chakku were feeling very thirsty. Their uncle gave both of them mango panna in steel tumblers. So her uncle gave them mango panna in steel tumblers. Mango panna is very tasty. If you should not try it, definitely you should try it. But Chakku wanted the drink only in a glass tumbler. Her uncle poured the panna into a glass tumbler, but Chakku was not happy. She complained, "Uncle, you have given me less panna." Now, what do you feel? Did Chakku's glass tumbler have less panna? No, Chakku's glass tumbler did not had less panna because the panna had been transferred from the steel tumbler to the glass tumbler. Thus, the panna in Chakku's glass tumbler was not less. It looked less because the glass tumbler was bigger than the steel tumbler. Right? Now, here given in the grid are some places where water is found. Find any 7 of them and put a circle around each. One is already done for you. So what we need to do is, we need to look at the crossword puzzle which is given here, and we need to put a circle around places water is found. So here I can see lake, lake over here. Then see just below it and spring over here, then ocean just below it, then here well, here rain, we get water from rain, right? Then here pond, and here tape. So you have to write down these names in the given boxes. You have to write down the names in these boxes: lake, well, sea, spring, ocean, rain, pond, and tap. Okay, so you have to write down in these boxes. Now see here, in every row put a circle around one that is different from the others. Also tell how it is different, right? So first is river, mountain, pond, spring and lake. So here river, pond, spring and lake are sources of water, right? While mountain is not. So you have to circle around mountain. Okay. Now second is fish, duck, monkey, crocodile and tortoise. So here fish, duck, tortoise and crocodile are aquatic animal. Aquatic animal means water animals, right? While a monkey is not. So you have to circle around monkey. Now third is car, boat, bus, train and bicycle. A car, a bus, a train and a bicycle run on the road while a boat sails on the water. So you have to circle around boat. Now fourth is bathing, washing clothes, swimming, combing hair and kneading dough, right? So water is needed for bathing, washing clothes, swimming and kneading dough, but no water is needed for combing hair. So you have to circle around combing hair. Okay. Now move ahead. Here one activity is given, fun with colors. So you take a drawing paper and fold it in the middle. Now unfold it and put some drops of different colors on it. Now again fold the paper and press it. Now unfold the paper and look what you have made. It's very interesting activity. You do it by yourself. Okay. So here our third chapter is completed. I hope you all are understood this video. I will send you PDF file of chapter 3, water, oh water. You have to write down in science notebook. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.